you, Cancer and Woodpecker. This is your weekly messages this afternoon for the 17th to the 23rd. I've already uploaded the daily love messages. You can also the career and finance messages for the day. You can hop over there after this to see those. Be sure and like and share, subscribe. If these messages do resonate with you, feel free to leave a comment as to how your journey is going to help encourage and give hope to those on this in your journey. Also would ask that any gender statements can be reversed or switched. Energies can be reversed or switched. And if it doesn't resonate, don't force it. It might not be your story. Okay. Gonna get you 2 energy cards, overall energy. Thank you, Spirit. Got the hawk and the hummingbird right off the bat. Those might be the ones we were supposed to take. Hang on. Spirit goes overall energy for these Cancer and their part, who they're thinking about. Cancer and who they are thinking about. The person they think about. The person that perhaps they're watching this reading for. Cancer first. Overall energy for the Cancer person. Collective. Overall energy for the Cancer person. You and the person. Cancer, you are the lamb. Hopefully not the... Oh, wow. Okay. Your person, you have 2 people here that you're thinking about. Or there's 2, so there's either like an ex and a new person. One could be a soulmate, karmic, one could be the twin flame, or there are or a 3-party situation. The other option would also be out that 2 different groups of people here that so just read the energies as you see them. One is for the snake and one's the black egg from the ethers. Rebirth of the soul. In the lamb energy. Very intuitive, surrounded by your colors, very innocent, like childlike innocence. Perhaps you're just starting on your journey also, but you're connecting to your higher self. You are connecting to your crown chakras open, third eye is open. Your aura is quite bright, very much in your heart and throat chakras with the green and blue here. Innocent, likes to see, kind of like the rose-colored glasses energy with this, which is very cool. Hang on. So rose-colored glass energy. You like to see the best in people. You like to see. You like to look for the spiritual in them, perhaps, but you like to help transform them. You help them grow with your innocence, and your childlike energy helps them to be childlike and in tune with their inner child. It's like you want to pull this egg through the hole of all these colors are like a field of your magnetism and your chakra colors and energy. Just vibrant, pure energy, like a web of energy, like an energetic field of little sparks. And this is you almost putting this off And you like to pull the other people through that energetic field by you, so that they too can feel that energy of childlike innocence. So this is like a gateway between you and the person you interact with. They're in their cocoon, like the butterfly. That's like a transformational state right now. They're in their cocoon, turning to mush before they can grow their wings and emerge to fly, right? So they're the cosmic energy here is transforming your person, and who knows what they'll come out like, the butterfly or the moth. But they're surrounded by the ethers and the divine light caring for them with this passionate pink around it. But perhaps part of that pink glow is your glow, because you're pulling them in and out of this web of your energy field that's zapping them and enlightening them and helping them transform, helping them turn to mush before they can emerge the butterfly. Okay. Huh. Very cool, Cancer. You're so cute. I love how bright your colors are. You're just glowing in your very unconditional love feeling right now. That faith. Alright, Spirit, give us the cards for what's coming at the Cancer and Woodpecker. What's coming at Cancer Woodpecker for the week of the 17th to the 23rd. Well, we've got truth, choices, this one, but then there's a 6. I don't know why we're getting that one, but kind of like these two are one almost. You're confused to make the choice. Your Temperance makes it for you. Confused perhaps. Who's your person? Confused. Is this your person, or am I supposed to be going to a different person? What's in their headspace? What are they thinking about? What are the Cancers thinking about? Movement. Just paraffin court cases, their gift, their divine gift, and truth. Always looking for the truth. And 3 more for their heart space, or 2. And 3 more for their heart space. Another one for their heart space. One more for the heart space. Okay. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, remember this is what's coming at you, like in the 3D, the realm, for real. This is what's in your mind, or what's in your thinking about your mind space. This is what's in your heart and soul, what your heart feels. Okay, so 2 of Pentacles, Cancer, Woodpecker. You feel you have your loyal sidekick. You're balancing things right now. balancing this one and this one. Pentacles, you also have two ships, a big ship, a little ship. You're trying to make a decision. Do I go on this boat, that boat? Do I take this person, this person? Do I keep both pentacles for myself or share it with my loyal companion? But you're in your truth, you're in your fiery, passionate truth. Perhaps you're dealing with a fire sign. It's the Ace of Swords. Very, all of a sudden, like almost, oh my gosh, this is, I've got to go speak my truth. I've got to move now. And the time is now. And that's the energy that I'm feeling on the card, as well as the time is now. It's kind of like a zap with that energy field that you're putting out. Like, oh, I'm just dancing along, zap. Oh, time is now, gotta go. Same here, the Knight of Swords. Time is gotta go. Even the bull, look, he got zapped too. He's like, whoa, gotta go. He's like almost yelling out his truth. Sword is up, mask is taken off. He's determined. He's got a purpose. Look at him. He's coming forward in that truth regarding these choices. He's like, I know who you think you are. I'm your divine counterpart. Little lamb, you're not choosing one of them other people. You're not choosing a karmic or a soulmate. Alright? These kind of are together, though. Right now, somebody's feeling like they hands are tied. They're supposed to be making this decision, right? But they're being stubborn. They have a lot of passion, and they're being stubborn. I don't want to choose. What if I choose the wrong one? Indecisive as well. I'm getting indecisive with this, but all you gotta do is uncross your hands. Even have the eyes or symbols on the back of your hands, like the all-seeing eye. So, like, you put your eyes on your hands and cross them, but covered your eyes. Not seeing, not having the faith either, because you should be using your third eye. You should be knowing, that all-knowing eye. Use it. Use the passion. Don't be so stubborn. The symbols are clearly marked which one is the divine choice. They're a step above. They're not only one step above, they're multiple. There's no comparison between the divine connection, the divine person, and other choices. They might be more fun, they might be younger, older, some might be more filled with devil energy, so you think they're enticing. There's only one divine connection. It's going to lead you you're going to have to get through the calmer waters, love yourself to get to it. And temperance is here to balance those things out. Temperance is here to keep the emotional part of it balanced, to keep the growth and blossoming, to remind you that the sun will come up over the hills. There are greener pastures just over the way. Okay, in your mind space, you're thinking about the Queen of Wands that might be a little fiery. Maybe she's a little mad about something. Maybe she's, there's a lot of matching right here. The sword with the wand. So perhaps something was communicated that fired her up. Maybe it was this issue with the choices. The Hierophant here has a whip saying you're going to drop the devil energy, you're going to drop the choices, you're going to choose the divine gift. It's right here. It's marked with a big red cross or big red bow. You can't miss it. Spirit's making it obvious. Who's the divine one? And if they don't see the divine connection, then this divine, the high priestess, will move on without you. Sun, the sun card is here. All you've got to choose is the correct one. Nurture. She's nurturing your inner child and her inner child. She's nurturing you. She's spinning the gold, working on her pentacles. And so underneath this choices is the fact that they, in their mind space, they know they have to ignore the karmic. They know they have to ignore the devil energy. They know, because this is thinking, that those choices aren't really choices. They have to ignore the karmic, even if they're living with them. They ignore the devil energy, the pentacles, and building their gold. Listen to their intuition and hold true to their throne there. It's a pine cone. don't know I forget what the pinecone represented. I want to say it's something to do with central energy, but below that is the connection. They understand that they have to ignore them because there's a special connection between these two, and they want to grow old together because they also make them feel young. They know that they're nurturing each other's inner child. They're working on this in the ethers, in the 5D. They're working this as well in the 3D. So then here is the moon energy, the shadows, what's being illuminated, all the tears that have fallen throughout this connection is being illuminated in the moon energy, and they're, the things they've cried about, shed tears about, discussed in the telepathic communication that's all there for them to see and understand, and they're thinking about all this, that the signs of who I got to choose have been right there. We speak it telepathically. We shed tears together telepathically. In their heart space, they want this happy home environment. They want to build their 10 of Pentacles and have an end to being single and choices. They want to build and be abundant with you and have this new beginning with their divine feminine in their heart space. They want to be productive and have growth in their pentacles, but also in their heart space. They're listening to their intuition, and somebody is regarding this queen who is stubborn, or regarding the Queen of Wands. But if the Empress card comes out, it's because the Empress is all 4 queens. Alright, and they are, like we said, want to grow old together. They feel young at heart together. They want to work on this connection. They want to put an end to the confusion regarding choices. Put an end to the confusion of blocking themselves. This is in reverse. So they are surrendering that choice, surrendering to divine, to say, whatever's for my highest good, Spirit, whatever's for my highest good, show me the way. Give me the signs and synchronicities. And if you don't open your eyes and choose correctly, then the Tower comes. So if we get the Tower card, you'll know they didn't open their eyes. Sorry, Cancer. Just telling you like it is. Wouldn't even let me put it back in, so that's regarding the first card. Oh, clarified. Oh, sorry. I'm going to have to wait till tomorrow to do the last reading. What's my last one? I still have dang. Pisces and Scorpio. I thought I did Scorpio. Pisces. I still got to do Pisces. Okay, so clarifying this 2 of Pentacles, trying to balance, being loyal, big ship, little ship, big coin, little coin. The sun is here to help brighten your way, to show you, to give you hope in the decision. To follow the sun, to follow the light. Spirit's saying, follow the light. The divine counterpart's going to have that glow about her. She's going to have fire coming from her fingers because she's all powerful. She has the magic and the power within her. Okay, and this Truth, Ace of Swords, the fiery energy that wants to move forward. Really, these two are the same, pretty much, energies. This one was like the zap of this connection, waking him up, going zap, and saying, hey, I gotta go now. What am I going forward to? I'm going to 4 of Wands. I want stability with her. And divine. And nothing less. Because nothing else will do once you have the divine. And he's going to come forth with that Ace of Cup and offer his cup of love. Not worrying about the others or thinking, which one do I choose, because he will know. Because Spirit's pointing out to them. Just look for the light, the one that guides you, one that heals you, the energy you feel, the Queen of Pentacles, the one who's most abundant. Clarify Temperance, please, Spirit. The world wants to turn. Okay, it's an ending. Temperance is here to balance things out, have an ending and start fresh, have a new beginning. This Queen of Wands is on your mind, and so is the Hierophant. Clarify the Queen of Wands, please. Okay, clarify the Hierophant. King of Pentacles. Clarify King of Pentacles. Over to the Queen. The Queen of Wands, one of those choices, is walking away from things that no longer serve her. She's moving forward as a Page of Pentacles, offering her gift elsewhere. I don't know where these came from, but I'm going to set those there for a second. Okay, so the Hierophant pointing out the fact that there's only one gift, and it's here. The Queen of Wands is reminding, communicating, but things are dying off. He hasn't chosen. Everything around her is dead except for her and that one flower, right? So she's moving forward with the Six of Wands, but then he comes in with his truth, roaring on a horse with his sword upright in his truth, yelling, you know, don't go. I see now the sun, the Spirit has shown me with the sun, 2 sun cards, wow. Spirit has shown me that you're the divine connection. As a 9 of Pentacles, you're the most abundant, and the Queen of Swords, who matches his energy, is in alignment together. And here we have this King of Pentacles. He is ignoring the devil energy, the karmic, you know, and all that, because he wanted to come in out of the cold, and there was a death to the 3-person situation, the 5-person situation, whatever the case was, and he took the leap forward as the Fool card to move forward out of the the Fool card and the Moon card. During that discussion, he took that leap forward for the new beginning, the new journey, taking his spirit guide with him. And if in his heart space about the family, he knows that she is the Page of Cups, that she's offering up. Her cup of love is overfilling with her own self-love, her self-unconditional love, and she's got enough to share and now pour into his cup so that they can share the unconditional love. Ace of Pentacles is the new beginning. Clarify the Queen of Swords, actually, with the heart. Queen of Swords with the heart space. You have her at 3 spots, I think, 2 or 3 spots. Four of Swords resting. Yes, she has her sword. Three of the swords out of the four are hung on, well, they're all hung on the wall, but one of them is upright with truth. She's confident she doesn't need the sword laying beside her, and like in some traditional tarots, she's confident her hands are crossed, laying on her back, face up, with her bare feet showing, which shows to me vulnerability and in her truth. Six of Cups, clarify Six of Cups. Spirit, clarify Six of Cups. Please. Yes, the Temperance, balancing things out. Of those Six of Cups, it's Temperance. She's going to balance them so it's equal for them. So there's no more of this restless mind. Clarifying the reverse. Nine of Wands, clarifying, okay, Nine of Wands. Ace of Wands, communication. Instead of being stuck, they're going to communicate and surrender to Spirit, right? Because we have surrender card here. Turning her back to the, we have Nine of Wands again. Turning her back, though, to the wands that block her in moving forward. And choosing which of those three wands that she's going to move forward with regarding her surrender. Clarify surrender, Spirit. Ooh, surrendering the broken heart. Yeah, must be there's Three of Wands, Three of Swords. There was somebody had the three-party situation. We did get the classic ignoring. Which one was it? He's ignoring the three-party situation. This one. That's him ignoring the three-party situation and where the heartbreak was. So surrendering this heartbreak so that it is healed. Healing themselves, filling themselves with self-love, knowing their worth. The Hierophant is here to help move that forward, to offer that unconditional love to the High Priestess. It is taking some strength to move forward in this and put an end to the Ten of Swords, stabbing people in the back. The King of Pentacles, working on his pentacles, being plentiful, moving forward and being a King of Cups. And we'll get you some. That's pretty much it. Moving forward, he surrenders, and moving forward. Messages for the, you're already doing it. Stop overthinking, keep facing your true north. That's a Earth energy, aqua message right there. Air energy rather, and earth energy, they're analysts, right? They overthink everything. They create monkey mind. Pillar of light, the divine feminine herself. Your vibration is rising. You are the oracle. You are the globe of light. How beautiful is that? Yes. The great gathering. It's all coming together. Intuitive hits, soul tribe. You're listening to your intuition and downloads. Very nice. Alright, Cancer and Woodpecker. This is what I have for you for the week of the 17th. I hope you have a blessed week. Namaste.